Mia! Mia! Where are you?
Where is Mia?
Mia, answer us! She was right here.
Mia, today is going to be fun.
Let's enjoy our family day. Wow, look at this! Look at the slides!
They're amazing! Mommy, I want to see the Sea Princess show.
Stay close to me, sweetheart.
Okay, Mommy.
Stay together and never go anywhere alone, okay?
Okay, come on, Mia.
Let's go together.
Stay close, everyone.
Yay! This is so fun! Here comes a wave! Yay! This is fun! Thank you, Liam. Wow, she looks amazing! Hi, Sea Princess. Wait, where are you going? Who is that lady over there? I want to go too. Please wait for me. I want to see where you go.
Wow, that was a big wave. It was so much fun. Please slow down. I am trying to follow you now.
Stay close to us, Liam. This wave is very big.
Oh no, Mia! Mia is gone. Where did she go now? Mia, where are you? I can't see you anywhere. Mom, Mia is gone. I cannot find her anywhere. What? Mia is missing? Oh no, where is she? Michael, Mia is gone. Please help me find her now.
Stay calm. I will look carefully and find Mia. Stay together. We need a clear plan to find Mia. Please stay here. Mia may return to this place.
Okay, I'll stay here. Let me know when you're back.
Look carefully, Liam. Tell me when you see Mia.
Where is Mia? I can't find her right now.
These slides are so big. Mom, Dad. Liam, where are you? I am scared. Please come and find me.
Dad, look! The security booth is there. Let's ask for help.
My little girl is missing. Please help us find her quickly. She has curly hair and a pink shirt. Don't worry, we'll find her. Okay, sir. I will call the team and write her details. She is very small. She has colorful scrunchies and a light floral dress. We will check the slide area, the wave pool, and the river path.
Wait, I remember now. Mia was looking at that shiny performer. Mia was watching that seashell lady near the pool. Wait, Dad! I remember now. I know where Mia went. Dad, she went that way. She followed the path to the kids' area.
Good job, Liam. That helps us a lot. You remembered something very important.
Mom, Dad, Liam, where are you? I'm scared.
It's okay, sweet girl. Stay here with me for a moment.
Your family will find you soon.
Here, Mia, have some ice cream. You can sit and wait with me.
Okay. Thank you. This is yummy. I feel better now.
We found Mia. She is safe in the kids' area. You can go there now. Come on, Liam. Mia is safe. Let's go get her now.
Mia, there you are. We found you at last.
Mia, Daddy is here now. We were looking for you.
Daddy! Liam, you came for me. I'm here.
I'm so happy now. Please stay close to us.
I'm sorry. I'll stay close next time.
It's okay, Mia. I'm here with you now.
My sweet children, you are safe now. We are together again. Thank you so much. You helped our little girl today. You're very welcome. I'm so glad I could help.